Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel Hu. I'm a photographer, videographer, and I love tech. So I'm starting my YouTube channel. Crazy times right now. I hope everyone's staying safe. What I do have for you today is I just received my iPad Magic Keyboard. It's been a device I've been looking at heaps. Love the iPad Pro. Right now, it's actually right here. So what I'm actually gonna do for you today, I'm actually gonna unbox this Magic Keyboard. I don't know how there's not many videos on YouTube right now, so I guess I'm gonna do this for you. Alright, so here we have the iPad Magic Keyboard. It comes in its standard white box, classic Apple fashion. And inside the box we have the 11-inch Magic Keyboard. Opening up the Magic Keyboard, we have a little divider inside with some instructions on how to use it. No Apple stickers inside, unfortunately. And there we go, we just snap it in place. Beauty of magnets. And here we have a comparison between the iPad Magic Keyboard and the desktop Magic Keyboard. Okay, I've seen some questions online where people are asking if you can adjust the backlit lighting on the keyboard, and yes, you can do that. Going inside your general, inside your keyboard, inside keyboard hardware, this actually allows you to adjust the brightness of your backlit light. You can also choose the language you would like. And inside modifier keys, you can also customize your shortcuts. If we go back in here, we can actually we can adjust the trackpad, the speed of how fast you want your cursor to move. Natural scrolling, I do have that one on. Also tapping to click, that means just by touching on the trackpad, it switches without you have to physically clicking down on the actual button. You can also use 3-finger swipe up to close it, 3 fingers and hold to bring up your multitask window. And alright, thank you so much for watching. That pretty much wraps up everything. I'm sure there's heaps of questions you have still, but please comment down below. I'm sure I will answer all the questions. I'm still looking forward to seeing all the other YouTubers review this product. I think it's a game changer for the iPad Pro. Yeah, let me know what else you want to see on this channel. Open to all suggestions, and everyone please be safe and stay indoors. Peace.